Pranam. My name is Maruti J.K. Sharma, and I am very thankful to all of you to watching this broadcast live. We, through the platform of Think India, are presenting here today's session. It is based on Vedic mathematics. हम सभी ने नाम सुना मैथमेटिक्स का कई बार कई जगह से. We have heard it from different sources. But the actual scenario is this: Vedic mathematics started across the globe in different parts around 8,000 years back, 6,000 BC we can say. The evidences in this support we can offer from latest reports which were submitted from IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur is one of the most reliable institution in Bharat right now. IIT Kharagpur team had found that 8,000 years back, Indus Valley civilization was in full flourished form in Bharat. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro की सभ्यता. In that civilization, structured colonies and rooms, kitchens, especially the passage system, the drainage system was very well planned. There was no water clogging in the rainy season or any typical scenario. What about that mathematics in that scenario, in that time frame? किस तरह से उन्होंने सोचा कि मैथमेटिक्स की बिल्डिंग की प्लानिंग करना, कॉलोनीज की ड्रेनेज सिस्टम की प्लानिंग करना कि वहाँ पे कुछ भी परेशानी उत्पन्न ना हो पाए, so that the residents will not face any kind of difficulties in near future when they are residing in that particular area. That is Vedic mathematics. Definitely, at that time we would have the language of communication as Sanskrit, and in Sanskrit we had a lot of basic ideas which are mathematical and artistic also, because art and mathematics are not two different divisions at that time. Mathematics में art है, art में mathematics है. We'll share one by one a few ideas here. Just allow a moment. Okay. Mathematics started from, we can say, caveman. जब गुफा में मनुष्य का निवास आरंभ हुआ, when our ancestors were residing in caves, it is lakhs of years ago. We know that 8,000 years back to 8 lakh years back to 3 lakh years back, this is the time duration. 8 लाख वर्ष पूर्व से 3 लाख वर्ष पूर्व तक Homo sapiens were on this earth for 5 lakh years. They must have developed different kind of strategies, technologies, management systems for the easy flow of life. Our ancestors were having two main discoveries as fire and wheel, Agni and Chakra. Agni और पहिया जिसे हम कहते हैं, ये उनके तो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्वेंशंस थे उस टाइम फ्रेम पे जब हमारे पूर्वजों ने शुरुआत की खोज की इन्वेंशंस की. Till today, we have invented a lot of things, many objects, and right now in 21st century we are seeing definitely some of our inventions are good for us and a very few are not supporting healthy future for our generations. These are harming our future. Anyhow, Vedic mathematics, it was started 8,000 years back as per current documentation as I am sharing with you. But it had lost somewhere in the time duration. कहीं बीच में समय अंतराल में खो गया ये. It was rediscovered in the time zone 1911 to 1918 by Swami Bharati Krishna Tirth Ji Maharaj. Swami Ji was Shankaracharya of Govardhan Mutt Puri, Odisha, Bharat, from 1925 to 1960. Swamiji has written, or we can say compiled 16 volumes in which he had shared the ideas of mathematics from starting to advanced version. In those 16 volumes, as per Swamiji's version, he had covered each and every aspect of mathematical domain. But it's very unfortunate for all of us those 16 volumes had lost somewhere. And after that, when Swamiji in 1956 orated his book to his disciple Dr. Manjulata Trivedi, who was at that time frame secretary of Vishwa Punarnirman Sangh Nagpur. Manjulata ji had written that book, and Swamiji had orated, spoken. And that is the only reference book till now we have as per the Swamiji's authorized system, we can say, authorized written or thought process. Named is Vedic Mathematics, VEDIC, Vedic Mathematics. And from that book, many researchers across the globe are doing many research in different chapters, different theories of mathematics, and we are trying to collect each and every data to find that links of mathematics where the gaps are there. As per the current school system, we know that gaps are there from class 1 to 4, primary section is there, then 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 we can say. A big jump is there. Based on syllabus, based on ideas, how to work on those ideas, how students can cope up the big jump of 5 to 6. Similarly, after 8, it is 9th. 8 to 9th, again a big jump is there. Then 10 to 11, again a bigger jump. And after 12, when they are going for competitive examinations, a super jump you can say. We need Spider-Man, Superman to jump all those. Or we need the blessings of Lord Hanuman. As the gaps are there, definitely, in case we are working on Vedic mathematics from pre-primary to advanced master level, the gaps would get fulfilled easily. I am sharing with you some ideas how Vedic mathematics started 8,000 years back. What is the basic? What was the reason behind it? So, yes, Anjuji is asking Swamiji's name. Swamiji's name is Shri Jagat Guru Bharati Krishna Tirth Ji Maharaj, and he was Shankaracharya of Govardhan Math, Puri, Odisha, Bharat, from 1925 to 1960. I'm just sharing the idea how Vedic math started, because at that time we know that 8,000 years back there was no paper and pen. कागज और कलम नहीं थे प्रयोग में. There were no uses of paper and pen anyhow. The Guru Shishya Parampara, a Guru Shishya tradition in Gurukuls, Vedic Gurukuls, Guru is speaking something, Shishya or disciples are listening each and everything. They are practicing as per laboratory method, you can say instantaneous experiential learning. And when Guru is speaking something, students are just adopting and memorizing that, because our memory has no limit. Believe me, we can memorize each and everything. I'm just showing the ideas first. First is here. Observe. Can you see my hand? In normal human hand, we have 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second hand again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, first of all, as per Vedic Gurukul system, we should know the indicators of Panchatattva, 5 elements in 5 fingers. This is Kshiti, Jal, Pavak, Gagan, Samira. Kshiti, Jal, Pavak, Gagan, Samira. Gagan, sky is at very high limit. It means it is. Yes. Ujjwal Shah ji has shared the link for Bharati Tirth Maharashri. Please, others, please follow it. Thank you so much. This is Gagan, sky. This is Kshiti, Dharti, earth. The element of earth is indicated by the index finger of our hands. A small finger, little finger, it is Jal, water. Kshiti, Jal, Pavak. Pavak is Angutha, thumb. Because whenever we have any difficulty in our stomach, we have low that fire in stomach, which is called as Jatragni. Jatragni का निम्न होना अंगूठे के दबाने से सही होता है. Kshiti, Jal, Pavak, Gagan, Samira. Gagan is here, sky, and Samira. Vayu is here, third one. Vedic mathematics was connecting each and every practical aspect to mathematics and science. From here, I believe that tele-science had started like this. Observe. When I open hand like this, and if I close 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers, observe again 1, 2, 3, 4, and this thumb can cross it. तो how the ideas of telesign marking came into humans mind, इंसानों के दिमाग में टेली चिन्ह बनाने की परंपरा किस तरह विकसित हुई होगी संभवतः. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This thumb is going in diagonal version. हम देखेंगे टेली चिन्ह जो हम पढ़ते हैं प्रारंभिक कक्षाओं में. इन एलिमेंट्री क्लासेस वी आर स्टडिंग इट इन क्लास 1 to 4 especially. The tally marks having 4 vertical lines from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 4 only. And for 5 we have a diagonal element which can cut. And believe me, there is no restriction of diagonal element from left upper to right down or left lower to right up. We can't say कि ये सही है ये गलत है, because we have 2 hands, we can take any thumb. Majority of students may be in a class, let's say left-handers. So they can say this arrow is correct, left down to right up. But if you are right-hander, they can say this is correct, right down to left up is also okay. So this is the basic criteria how we can work out the telesigns. Telesigns are just based on the human evolution. How humans had developed the concept of counting in initial stages. Okay, got it? Fine. Now next came into the picture ideas of Gaurav Sundaram is asking how fingers relate to these Panchatattva. Why do we consider hands only? Then why not feet? Gaurav, because folding of fingers is very easy for our hands. Can you fold our leg fingers like this, feet fingers like this? It's not easy because of size. And the indicator of different Panchatattva, 5 elements with fingers, it is from Shastra. I am not saying it. I am not saying here because of whatever I am sharing with you, it is shared or taught me by my gurus only. My guru, Param Guru Brahmalin Pandit Fateh S. Sharma, and my Pitashi Pandit Jagannath Sharma, who is not alive right now, who had left his body in 1991. Those who had taught me these collections were from some books only. Definitely in scriptures, like if you are doing any kind of acupressure course, then you are studying it very carefully. This is Kshiti, Jal, Pavak, Gagan, Samira. Earth, water, fire, sky and wind. And just sharing how it has started in Indian system. भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार ये विकसित कैसे हुआ? How it was developed 8,000 years back. At that time, no pen paper was there. Believe me, only the actions of hands and everything. Okay, now I'm entering into the mathematics domain. Classes from class 1 to 4, we are having the ideas of, let's say, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, powers, radicals, and proportionality. Ashtanga Ganitam we call it. These are 8 different sections which can cover the topics from class 1 to 8, or most probably a few topics from class 9th and 10th also. Then, in the basis of building up the ideas from class 1 to 8, we are sharing one most important section, that is multiplication. And tables, we just force our juniors to memorize. बेटा ये याद कर लो, ऐसे याद कर लो, आगे काम आएगा. Tables from 1 to 30, 1 to 20, 1 to 10, कुछ ना कुछ हम कराते रहते हैं हम लोगों को. But how it can be more easily understood and practiced by our juniors? Observe it carefully. In case I am showing my hand closing like this and opening, this is 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 plus 4, 9. See the speed. In case I am showing my finger like this, It is not 6 I am showing here. I am showing the number by this gesture 1. By using this gesture, I am denoting number 2. This is 7. I hope each of you have got it. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 7. Okay, fine. Now in case we have to do multiplication, observe it. Let's say 7 into 7. This is 4 tens, means 40. And 3 and 3, 9. This is 49. 7 into 7 is 49. 8 into 7 is 56. These are tens, whatever the upside fingers we have. And downside fingers are units. We have to add it. Like started earlier. But as per current scenario, हमें कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन फेस करने पड़ते हैं. हमारा आज सेशन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन बेस्ड है. आई एम जस्ट कमिंग टू दैट जोन ओनली. इन कॉम्पिटिशंस जो एग्जामिनेशन पेपर्स आते हैं, क्वेश्चंस आते हैं हमारे सामने, दोज आर बेस्ड ऑन एलिमेंट्री मैथमेटिक्स विच इज राइट नाउ अप्लाइड मैथमेटिक्स. जैसे सेक्शन आ रहा है एनसीईआरटी के सिलेबस के थ्रू. अप्लाइड मैथमेटिक्स इज मोर और लेस सेम कैलकुलेटिव मैथमेटिक्स, and some portion of trigonometry, coordinate and calculus, which is an advanced version, so called advanced mathematics, but again it is elementary for the mathematics learners. One chapter I want to share with you, Vedic maths को किसका कैसे यूज करते हैं हम लोग, देखते हैं एक बार. Just let me try in case I would be able to. Okay, fine. Arithmetic progression. Let us say take a topic is arithmetic progression, which is called as समांतर श्रेणी. समांतर तो सम अंतर, समान है अंतर जिसका. The sequence which is having common difference, that is called as arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression we define as a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on. These are the term sequence. And let's say we have to find rth term. So rth term we can define as tr is equal to a plus r minus 1 into d. TR is equal to A plus R minus 1 into D. Can all of you see it? Please confirm. Okay, I am getting confirmation from all of you. Okay. In case we define it like this, TR is equal to n minus 1 C0 times A plus, sorry, it is R minus 1, not R minus 1 C1 times D. R minus 1 C0, it is the choice. We are just doing the combination. Out of r minus 1 distinct items, I am choosing 0. It is 1. This times A plus r minus 1 C1 times D. Out of r minus 1 elements, I am getting 1 into D. If I do like, what will happen? How we can take benefit of it? Observe. If I have SR, sum of r terms, then head script and foot script both will be increased by 1. RC1 times A plus RC2 times D. This is the first, you can say, advanced application, but we believe it is basic application of Vedic mathematics in arithmetic progression, which is in class 10th, 9th or 10th somewhere. It is topic in NCERT. And it will give the base of that concepts clarity, how two students are learning, the ideas of sequence and series. And this is major topic in different competitive examinations. They have to face it. Yes. I hope all of you are clear with it. Please confirm. But wait, the actual scenario is something here. In case, let's say we have a sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on, we can find TR is equal to R minus 1 C0 times A. A is what? 2. And R minus 1 C1 times D. D is again 2. Therefore, we can find the answer here. Okay. But can you try this one? Just write down in case you have notebooks, or if in case you can listen very carefully. 2, 4, 8, 16, 24, 2, 4, 8, 14, 22, like this. See this one. 2, 4, 8, 14, 22. It means the differences in between first and second term is 2, second and third term is 4, third and fourth term is 6, fourth and fifth term is 8 and so on. The differences are increasing like this. Can you find general term for this pattern in single line? Because Vedic mathematics means in case we can find in single line within half second, then this is definitely a quicker mathematics. Because at that time गुरुकुल में समय नहीं था सबके पास से बहुत सारे कार्य करने पड़ते थे. Multiple work each and everyone was doing. In Gurukul, that was today's, you can say, well-planned residential schools, where in the morning, students a.m., they have to do morning prayers to whatever time allotted to them. Then they have to be tuned, they have to tune them, they have to come for Alpahar, morning breakfast. After that, they have to go to their classes, they will have some break, they have to go to their room, they have to come for Madhyahar, midday lunch, and then in evening hours they have to go for playing, in the evening hours again prayers, in the night self-study, and then sleep by 10, 10:15, 10:30, whatever the time would have been. A complete tight schedule. It means for each and every problem they are facing in mathematics or science or different subjects, quick response or answering should be there. 2, 4, 8, 14, 22 and so on. Can we find TR here easily? General term? Yes, of course. Applying same rule. R minus 1 C0 times A plus R minus 1 C1 times D plus R minus 1 C2 times D1. अब ये D और D1 क्या है? देखिए ध्यान से. A was 2 here. फर्स्ट टर्म फर्स्ट सीरीज का 2 था. सेकेंड केस में 4 and 2 का डिफरेंस वो भी 2 होगा. इट मीन सेकेंड राउंड में मतलब सीरीज आएगी, वो आएगी 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 एंड सो ऑन. थर्ड रो में फिर आएगा, डिफरेंसेस लेंगे हम 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. जस्ट गिव मी अ लॉन्ग मिनट, आई एम जस्ट कमिंग बैक विद इन जस्ट 1 मिनट. आई एम कमिंग बैक फॉर राइटिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट. आई एम रीडिंग जस्ट. Sorry for the interruption. I am here because the writing instrument is not working. I have changed it. TR R minus 1 C0. I am just writing this question. 2, 4, 8, 14, 22 and so on. This problem is okay? Clear to all of you? Now in case I write TR, it becomes 2 into R minus 1 C0 plus difference of 2, 4, 8. If we take, I am writing again, observe carefully. Difference we take 2 like this. I am just showing after writing. Observe. First row is 2, 4, 8, 14, 22 and so on. In second row, first round of differences if we take 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. In second row, second round of differences which are common difference 2, 2, 2, 2 and so on. It means it is a sequence which is reducible to arithmetic sequence. Because arithmetic बन रही है फर्स्ट राउंड में arithmetic का okay. Now in case we want to find TR, so TR would be minus 1 C0 into first term and this I am writing you, I am showing you, just wait, this one. This 2 is indicating first, circular 2, it means first row ka first element. Triangular 2, I am just showing second row ka first element. And this pattern of a quadrilateral type, typical quadrilateral type, this is third element, first element of third row. R minus 1 C0 into 2 plus R minus 1 C1 into 2 plus R 2 into 2. In case I want to find Sn or Sr, sum of R terms, that is easy for me. That is in this particular case RC1 into 2, RC2 into 2, RC3 into 2. Whenever we are finding sum of R terms, Vishnu is saying he can't see. Others, please confirm. Can you see it? This paper? Please confirm. Okay, no problem. Okay, fine. Some have figured out. Okay. Basically, it was R minus 1 C0 times first element of first row plus R minus 1 C1 times first element of second row, and we can have common difference ना मिल जाए. So arithmetic progression in Vedic mathematics started from top to different which the sequences which are reducible to arithmetic progression, not at initial stage these are arithmetic progression. And these problems were a major problem in university entrance, Cambridge. In IITs also a different section is there because we have three sections: mathematics, physics and chemistry. And in mathematics we have definitely application of sequence and series and trigonometry is major. Though they are covering questions from coordinate and calculus today, but dependency on these ideas is must. So clarity of sequence series is the first initial requirement for the juniors, after which they can solve these papers confidently. I want to say one more, some middle. In class 8th we have a topic of NCERT as squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots. This idea I think most of you would have heard from somewhere or definitely read from somewhere. Can you find the square of 5? Five square. 5 into 5 is how much? Yogesh ji, Anju ji, Rawat ji, okay, no problem. I am just communicating here right now. Can you find the square of 5? It is 25, correct. Can you find the square of 15? For 15, we have the idea of if this, now can you see it? Right, Anju is saying 5 square we have to find. 15 is having left hand side as 1, right hand side as 5, such 2, that becomes 2 and 25. This kind of ideas you would have done somewhere, definitely. Now coming down to some different concept also. Let's say I have to find 11 square. एट दिस स्टेज ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस हमें याद होता है 11 का स्क्वायर 121 है, बट द प्रोसेस आई एम शेयरिंग विद यू हाउ वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स इज मर्जिंग फ्रॉम वन चैप्टर टू अनदर चैप्टर, बिकॉज कैसे मर्ज करें टॉपिक्स को। 11 का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 1 है, राइट हैंड साइड भी 1 है। नाउ 11 किस जीरो एंडिंग नंबर का पड़ोसी है? 11 is in the neighborhood of which number ending with 0? 10, correct. Therefore 11 square will be equal to 10 square plus 11th odd number. And 10 square is 100. 11th odd number is 2 into 11 minus 1. The answer becomes 121. 21 square. In case I have to find 21 square, 21 is in neighborhood of which number ending with 0? 20. So 21 square is 20 square plus 21st odd number. 20 square is 400. 21st odd number 21 का डबल 42, subtract 1 41. तो 400 plus 41, 21 square is 441. Let's say I have to find 71 square. 70th odd number, 70 square plus 70. Now 70 square is what? 4900, correct. And 71st odd number, how we can find out? Double of 71 and subtract 1. Double of 71 is 142 and subtract 1, 141. 4900 plus 141 is how much? Yes, answer it. Anybody, please? 4900 plus 141. What is the answer? Yes, 5041. Now, what is happening all about here? There is no separate. We can use any chapter, any idea we can merge anywhere as per the standard conditions. इस फ्रीडम की कहानी वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स को इतनी पॉपुलैरिटी मिली दुनिया में, एंड इन लास्ट वी कैन से 10-20 years इसका बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज हम देख रहे हैं, बिकॉज दोज ट्रेनर्स हु आर डीलिंग स्टूडेंट्स हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर डिफरेंट एग्जामिनेशंस लाइक IIT JEE, IIM CAT, UPSC, बैंकिंग सर्विसेज, रेलवे सर्विसेज, SSC-CGL or other examinations, where we have to keep a balance of accuracy with speed, because some students are definitely they say 100% correct. Ashutosh ji is asking, does any Vedic math rule exist this equation? Yes, definitely. We have a fundamental rule for quadratic, cubic, biquadratic and every equation. That is Lopan Sthapna Abhyam. We just eliminate ek Newnan Purvan coefficient, the coefficient of one lesser than the highest degree. Let us say we have equation 2 plus bx square plus cx plus d. A x plus bx squared cx plus d. This is the third degree polynomial. It will have 3 zeros. Now to find the roots of this cubic polynomial, zeros of, so we can say language form में सही बात करें तो zeros of this cubic polynomial, we need to remove b, because degree of this polynomial is 3. It means उससे एक कम सेकेंड डिग्री x स्क्वायर के कोएफिशिएंट को गायब करिए. ये सिद्धांत है हमारा लोपन स्थापना अभ्याम का. इन एवरी इक्वेशन फर्दर ये कंटिन्यू करेगा. एंड b को एलिमिनेट करने के क्या करेंगे हम? इन एवरी रूट हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे b/3, शिफ्ट कर देंगे उसको, बिकॉज सम ऑफ रूट्स यहां था माइनस का b, तो उसमें हम ऐड कर दें b/3 और इन केस a इज नॉट 1, ओके लेट अस से इन केस ax क्यूब्ड प्लस bx plus d is the general polynomial of third degree, where a is the coefficient of leading degree term, b is the coefficient of one lesser than that. It means negative b is sum of three zeros, alpha, beta and gamma. Find the result. I have to add negative b/3a in each and every one. A shift of negative b/3a can give the result. Just इसको समझते हैं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन से. Before Sridharacharya formula, not applying, we are not applying here, we are just applying a shift of Lopez Stapnabyam rule. ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. इसके रूट्स का सम क्या होगा? नेगेटिव का b/a. मान लिया हमने दोनों में अलग अलग डिवीजन हो गया, नेगेटिव का b/2a, नेगेटिव का b/2a. अगर उन रूट्स में मैं नेगेटिव b/2a को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूं या फिर b/2a को ऐड कर दूं, देन आई विल हैव अ सिंपल फॉर्मेट ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक. मतलब x प्लस b/2a का होल स्क्वायर बन जाएगा कोई कांस्टेंट, एंड यू कैन फाइंड द आंसर इजीली. ओके आशुतोष जी, एम आई क्लियर? क्वाड्रेटिक, क्यूबिक, बाई क्वाड्रेटिक सेम रूल रहेगा. हमें सिर्फ लीडिंग कोएफिशिएंट के बगल वाला, द नेबर ऑफ लीडिंग कोएफिशिएंट हैज टू बी रिमूव्ड, एंड टू यूज remove it we have to use the concept of increment or decrement in roots. In the case of equation and in the case of zero, we have to do the same version for zeros. Now as we are seeing the ideas of squaring, let's say number 12 square, what is the answer? हमें याद है काफी लोगों को, answer is 144. But applying the sequence of Vedic structure, Vedic mathematical system, 12 square is equal to 12 के नियरेस्ट नंबर जो 0 पे एंड होता है, that is 10. 10 square 100 plus 4 times the number in between 0 ending number and the number ending with 2. मतलब कहने का कि 10 और 12 का मध्यवर्ती, 10 और 12 का मध्यवर्ती, the middle number of 10 and 12, that is 11. It means 12 square is equal to 10 square plus 4 into middle number 11. 4 into 11 is 44. 100 plus 44 is 144. So 22 square is what? 20 square plus 4 times, because 21 is the number in between 20 and 22. So 4 times 21 is 84. 20 square is 400. 400 plus 84, 484. 32 स्क्वायर करना हो मुझको अगर, वेलकम तो आशुतोष जी, बाकी लोग प्लीज एक बार ट्राई करेंगे. 32 स्क्वायर, 32 स्क्वायर के लिए 30 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 टाइम्स 31. कैलकुलेट एट योर ओन, निकालिए इसका आंसर. 30 स्क्वायर इज 900. 4 टाइम्स 31 124. 900 plus 124 is how much? 1024, correct. 72 square plus 4 times 71. 70 square is 4900 plus 4 times 71, that is 284, and plus 284. Okay, fine. 5184. Right. So we can find it like this: squares of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, any number digit they can end with. We have systematic formula because जो that concept है, that is a sequential concept. नॉट कि ये 5 के लिए, बिकॉज दीज अलजेब्रा का यूज करेगा बैकअप में यहाँ पर, एंड देन दीज आर बीइंग यूज्ड फॉर बाय ऑल ऑफ अस. Let us straight line, coordinate geometry. What we are doing in different one chapter is from coordinate geometry point of view. The general equation of straight line, we know that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real values and x and y are variables which can move on the coordinate plane as per the condition. Now, if we share here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 में अगर मैं बात करूं, इसके ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड जो सिस्टम बनेगा, एक और फॉर्मेट में याद है, हमने पढ़ा है क्लासेस में 9th 10th में कहीं पर, y is equal to mx plus c. Yes, m is the slope of the line and c is the intercept on y axis cut by the line. Now y is equal to mx plus c इस फॉर्मेट में लाने पर अगर हम कंपेयर करें इसको ax प्लस by प्लस c से, ओके c डिफरेंट कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन ना हो, प्लस d we can take like this. Now ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If I convert into y is equal to mx plus c form, तो y is equal to नेगेटिव का a अपॉन b टाइम्स x, नेगेटिव का c अपॉन b. ना नेगेटिव का a अपॉन b क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है यहां पर? स्लोप. तो स्लोप ऑफ लाइन इज डिफाइंड एज नेगेटिव टाइम्स कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x अपॉन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y व्हेन ऑल द टर्म्स आर ऑन वन साइड. जब एक सारे टर्म्स को एक ही साइड उठा के ले आए हैं तो x की कोएफिशिएंट अपॉन y का उसका नेगेटिव है, ये स्लोप को डिफाइन करता है. अब इस कंसेप्ट को लेते हुए लेट अस से क्वेश्चन दिया गया हमको, मान लीजिए ओके योगेश जी, आई एम गोइंग फॉर क्यूब ऑल्सो. आफ्टर दिस आई विल टेक एग्जाम्पल फॉर क्यूब. आई विल डिस्कसिंग स्ट्रेट लाइन. इन स्ट्रेट लाइन सिस्टम हियर लेट अस से हमसे कहा नेगेटिव का a अपॉन b, इसको ध्यान रखते हो, ध्यान से इसको देखेंगे अभी हम. लेट से क्वेश्चन दिया गया हमको, फाइंड अ स्ट्रेट लाइन विच इज पासिंग थ्रू पॉइंट 1,1 and the slope is 1/2. If the slope is 1/2, so from the Unruppin comparison rule, Unruppin is a system in Vedic mathematics which indicates the comparison, proportional comparison. Unruppin, ठीक है. Now नेगेटिव का a अपॉन b अगर ये हाफ के इक्वल है तो we can consider a is equal to 1, b is -2, or a is -1, b is 2. It's a possibility. If I consider a is 1 and b is -2, then I will get x minus 2y. x minus 2y is format of x and y. Now अगर ये फॉर्मेट किसी कांस्टेंट d को ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से 1,1 से पास कर रहेगा तो x और y में 1 1 पुट कर दूं. मैंने x या 1 पुट किया, y की जगह 1 पुट किया, 1 माइनस 1 होगा -1, मुझे 1 ऐड करना पड़ेगा और आंसर आ जाएगा 0. इट मीन्स x माइनस 2y प्लस 1 इज 0. आई एम रिपीटिंग, इसको ध्यान से समझेंगे एक बार फिर से. अगर स्लोप दिया है -1/2, नेगेटिव हाफ, then from the rule of Unruppin or comparison of Vedic mathematics, we understood, we know that the upper value is the coefficient of x and the lower value is the coefficient of y if the sign is reversed. So negative 1/2 was given. So negative 1 is the coefficient of x and 2 is the, or what is the coefficient of x, coefficient of y. So I am considering if slope, then x का coefficient मैंने मान लिया 1, coefficient y I have taken as -2, तो x minus 2y. अब ये फॉर्मेट अगर 1,1 से सेटिस्फाई करा दें हम, then we will have our answer perfect. मैंने 1,1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया तो x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 is a line having slope as 1/2 and the point through which it is passing is 1,1. You can have any problem we can discuss in half second or 1 second, we can try to solve. बिकॉज इट्स ए सिस्टम, प्रॉपर सिस्टम, जो मैथ्स का सिस्टम, ये कोई नई ब्रांच नहीं, इट इज अ वे, द कल्चर ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स विच वॉज फ्लरिश्ड इन एंशियंट ग्लोब सिस्टम, भारत में उत्पन्न हुआ, यहीं से निकला, बिकॉज इट वॉज प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन संस्कृत. फॉर पास्ट 8,000 years we have this tradition, and based on this we have developed many new concepts. You can say we found the missing gaps, because I believe we humans cannot create anything. Under the blessings of God, we can only try to find the missing links. So in case we are trying, we are getting some new idea, it means it is God's wish so that we should do something new, which should looks like something new. Let's say, take another example here. If a line is passing through 3,19 and the slope is negative 7,8. If slope is negative 7,8, it means coefficient of x हो गया negative 7, then coefficient of x y हो गया 8. Is it correct? No. If slope is negative 7,8, it means coefficient of x and y will be 7 and 8 respectively. Negative a upon b से, यानी कि if 7x minus 8y, अब अगर 7x minus 8y फॉर्मेट 3,19 से पास कर रहा है, तो 7x minus 8y is equal to 21 minus 19 into 8. Okay, that is 152, right? We can find the answer like this. Okay, as Yogesh ji is asking for a cube method. Observe, similar concept, we have one that chapter in mathematics that is called as Meru Prastar. Meru Prastar means expansion of mountain. इसका जो current that technical word है which we are using in modern mathematics, so-called modern maths right now. This system is called as Pascal triangle. या पास्कल ट्रायंगल में हम बात करते हैं पैटर्न्स की, 11 की, like 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1. These are indirectly giving the outputs as binomial coefficients in what we call binomial theorem. For cubing 11 to the power 3 होता है 1 3 3 1. Let's मुझे निकालना है क्यूब ऑफ 13 1 3. तो आई विल टेक फर्स्ट वैल्यू एंड सेकेंड वैल्यू. 13 में 2 डिजिट हैं 1 and 3. If I take 1 as the first value and 3 as the second value, I can simply say 1 cubed is 1. 1 squared into 3 is 3. उसका thrice, that is 9. 1 into 3 square, that is 9, into 3, 27, and 3 cubed is 27. We are applying here formula of a plus b whole cubed. What is the formula? We can recall. Plus 3a squared b plus 3ab plus b cubed. सेटअप बन रहे हैं, आप सिस्टम बन रहे हैं अलग अलग, बाई सेपरेटेड बाई 3 पॉजिटिव साइन. हम इस फॉर्मूले के बेसिक्स को यूज करते हुए क्यूबिंग को निकालते हैं. वी आर कमिंग बैक टू दैट क्वेश्चन. 13 क्यूब्ड, 3 क्यूब्ड हो गया 27. 27 का हम 7 लिखेंगे, 2 कैरी कर लेंगे, 7 लिखा, 2 हासिल कर लिया. उसके बाद वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 1 into 3 square. It means a into b square. That becomes 9. उसको हम अप्लाई करेंगे 3 से 27. I can type here also for better understanding of all of you. Is equal to a b squared plus 3a squared b. I am writing in order. and plus b cubed. Can you see it? Please check. Using this bifurcation, we are trying to find the values of different cubes. Let's say I have to find 21 cubed. 3 into 2 squared in, then 3 into 2 into 1 squared and 1 cubed. Now if I write from right to left, we have to take care. In case कहीं का कैरी फॉरवर्ड आएगा तो उसको हम कैरी ओवर करते जाएंगे. तो we can see it is 8. In second sector I am getting 12. In third section I am getting 6. And the last section is offering 1. So 8 slash 1 2 slash 6 slash 1. Now in this second element is 1. 21 का second element 1 था. We should बाकी सब तो 1 राइट मोस्ट साइड से 1 6 डिलीट थे, कॉपी कर देंगे. 12 में 2 कॉपी करेंगे, 1 कैरी फॉरवर्ड होगा. Excuse me. Therefore 8 plus 1 becomes 9 and remaining 2 6 1. So 21 cube. Yeah. Okay. Like this you can find cubes of numbers as you guys has asked. Is it okay? Okay, no problem. Thank you. No problem. Like this you can work out. I have just shared the range of Vedic mathematics. It is starting from, let's say, arithmetic calculations also, calculations, then arithmetic, then algebra also, coordinate geometry also, and in calculus, because I was having experience of teaching or sharing the ideas with the students of preparing for IIT JEE examination, IEM. Chapters are from arithmetic to calculus. Each and every topic they have to cover. And the major problem is speed. Because if they cannot solve in a particular time frame, they cannot crack the examination. And currently we are working in some students who are preparing for school examinations. बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं स्टूडेंट मैथमेटिक्स में. डरने की बात नहीं है. वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स इज नॉट ए न्यू सब्जेक्ट, इट इज ए न्यू वे ऑफ practicing and learning mathematical concepts. Adopt it at the earliest to lead. And those who want to refer, Ashutosh is asking, so is there any book available where all Vedic math concepts are given? Please suggest. Okay, Ashutosh ji, please. Right now we have one most book that is from Swamiji, or we can say Dr. Manjuta, the guidance of Swamiji only. That is Vedic Mathematics by Swami Bharati Krishna Tirth Ji Maharaj. Based on that book, you can have references in different portions, but definitely as you are asking, many of that learners have asked where we can get all this material. I will try to share with you. We will try to compile at the earliest so that we can share in a most structured manner what mathematics, Vedic mathematics is all about. It is all around 50-54 minutes. I am not sharing anything new concept right now. In case all of you are having queries, please share one by one. I am just on this live chat, live video here. You can share, you can comment here. I am just reading and sharing the best resolution possible. Whatever I know, I will share here. The book name I am typing for all of you. You can take reference from this book. This Vedic Mathematics by Swami Bharati Krishna Tirth Ji Maharaj Shri. Ashutosh ji, material we will work out and definitely as डिमांड आ रही है, आप लोग रिक्वेस्ट करें, हम लोग बात करेंगे जो भी हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहेंगे आप लोगों में से भी. इन केस सम ऑफ यू हु आर हैविंग दैट कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी ऑफ मैथमेटिकल आइडियाज फ्रॉम प्राइमरी टू एडवांस लेवल मीन्स द कोर्सेज विच आर बीइंग यूज्ड बाय एमटेक स्टूडेंट्स और एमएससी स्टूडेंट्स इन डिफरेंट दैट institutions as per UGC and AICTE. Those who want to work can finalize this work at the earliest. Because काम बहुत बड़ा है and हाँ please Ashutosh, you can connect me later on, no problem. You can search me on Facebook. You can get connected in case any doubt, whatever ideas I am having. And we have to keep this point in mind very carefully. We don't have to only prove the ideas whatever already proven कि ये वैदिक मैथ से ऐसा हो जाएगा, ऐसा हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं. कुछ नया करना है हमको अगर, तो हमें कुछ ऐसी स्ट्रेटेजी सेट करनी पड़ेगी जो बहुत ही मोस्ट टिपिकल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं विच आर टेकिंग मोर देन लेट्स से 30 or 40 or 50 lines. In Swami's book also you can find one good example of it. The example is how to find two separate equations of lines if we have most general equation of second degree representing two straight lines. मतलब ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. ये most general, and you want to split two separate equations of lines. आपने कर लिया है डेल्टा निकाल के, डेल्टा इज ए एच जी एच बी एफ जी एफ सी. डिटर्मिनेंट यू हैव ऑलरेडी कंफर्म्ड कि ये पैटर्न दो स्ट्रेट लाइन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, आप निकाल चुके हैं. नहीं, यू हैव टू सेपरेट दिस स्ट्रेट लाइंस. By using Vedic mathematics, we can find in single line. But in majority of books, it is not less than I think 10, 12 or 20 lines. We'll share in future in some other when we have topic-wise system. Because today I have given an overview how Vedic mathematics started 8,000 years back. Because अगर Indus Valley Civilization (IVC) developed in a most structured manner 8,000 years back, definitely mathematics बहुत advanced था. Without mathematics we cannot make buildings, we cannot have the best foolproof drainage system, because each and everyone is facing difficulties whenever the water clogging is there in their areas across the globe. In different countries flood आता है, बाढ़ आती है. भारत में काफी हम ये समस्या देखते हैं. इसके लिए हमें प्लानिंग ऐसी ही करनी पड़ेगी. वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स को समझना पड़ेगा बहुत डेप्थ में, एंड इसके एप्लीकेशन पार्ट को कहाँ पे इसको अप्लाई करना है. जहां जहां मैथमेटिक्स है वहां वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स है. आई कैन शेयर विद यू, आई कैन एश्योर यू वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स द सिस्टम. एंड दोज हु वांट टू डू रिसर्च, प्लीज कनेक्ट. वी विल डू डेफिनेटली सम. 1 plus 1 is not 2. We know that 1 plus 1 is 11, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 111. Okay, on this idea I want to. This is from Vedic Gurukul, which was run by Maharshi Pingal. Maharshi Pingal was author of one book based on binary coding. Binary coding क्या था हम पता है. In computers we use binary coding as two symbols 0 and 1. Maharshi Pingal had shared the idea of binary coding. 0 he called as Shunya as Laghu. Laghu is small. And 1 he called as Dirgha. Right. तो लघु और दीर्घ ये दो उन्होंने चिन्ह दिए These two symbols he had used in his complete concept of binary coding. And based on this, one good example which was shared in MIT USA also, काफी रिसर्च हुआ इसमें, बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है ये. सॉल्व करने का टेक्निक देखते हैं इसका क्या है. मॉडर्न मैथ्स में आई डोंट नो राइट नाउ, बिकॉज वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स अप्रोच आई विल शेयर विद यू. लेट्स से एक रूम में 1 to 100 स्टूडेंट्स खड़े हैं एक सर्किल के चारों तरफ. एक सर्किल बना हुआ है, राउंड सर्किल. इन ऑर्डर उसके चारों तरफ 100 students are standing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 100. Student 1 is having Chyawanprash. And student 1 throws the Chyawanprash back towards student 3. Student 3 catches it. And the student 2 left the circle. एक ने च्यवनप्राश का डिब्बा थर्ड की तरफ फेंका, थर्ड ने कैच कर लिया, स्टूडेंट 2 बाहर निकल गया. सेम थर्ड ने फिफ्थ की तरफ फेंका, फोर्थ बाहर निकल गया. फिफ्थ ने सेवंथ की तरफ फेंका, सिक्स्थ बाहर निकल गया. और ये साइकिल चलता रहेगा. जब एक राउंड कंप्लीट होगा ये फिर लौट के आएगा एक के पास. अब एक के बाद दो नहीं खड़ा होगा. एक के बाद में आफ्टर 1 3 वुड बी स्टैंडिंग, आफ्टर 3 5th, then 7th. odd numbers 5 and 3 will go out. It means everyone will catch it and every middle person will go out, leave the circle anyhow. Now if there are 100 students standing around the circle, can you tell me who would be the last student standing holding this Chyawanprash box? Think over it. There are multiple processes. I am just sharing with the idea of Maharshi Pingal, which is based on binary coding. 100 students are there. We can write 100 as in binary coding I am writing here 64, 32. We don't need 16, don't need 8. We need 4, no 2, don't need 0. Okay. ये बन गया बाइनरी कोडिंग पर इसका रिजल्ट. 00. I want to find who would be the last standing person. तो लास्ट स्टैंडिंग पर्सन के लिए I have to use left hand rotation rule. What it says 1100 in case I just change this pattern, I shift left hand digit जो 1 लिखा हुआ है बाईं तरफ का, सबसे बाईं तरफ का, I am changing it, I am writing it as 100 1001. मैंने लेफ्ट को राइट मोस्ट पे अपना 100 1001. Now in case convert to, तो अभी बनेगा 64 + 8 + 1. Four plus 8 plus 1, that becomes 73. Now this was the idea कि कैसे वैदिक लगा गया वैदिक गुरुकुलों में प्राचीनतम तरीके से in the most ancient approach. Maharshi Pingal, Maharshi Panini and Maharshi Patanjali, these 3 P's are perfect, powerful and we can say प्लान इस आइडिया मतलब गाइड हमारे पास रहे हैं. ये प्लानर्स रहे हैं जिन्होंने गाइड किया हमको 3 डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स में. महर्षि पिंगल वॉज वर्किंग ऑन बाइनरी कोडिंग, महर्षि पतंजलि अष्टांग योग एंड महर्षि पाणिनि अष्टाध्यायी. अष्टाध्यायी, अष्टांग योग और महर्षि पिंगल का बाइनरी कोडिंग। राइट, दीज आर 3 डिफरेंट सेक्शन जहां पे हमने काम किया है वैदिक गुरुकुलों में। वैदिक गुरुकुलों में योग यानी शारीरिक स्वास्थ्य पर भी ध्यान दिया जाता था, गणित और विज्ञान मैथमेटिकल साइंसेज पे भी, एंड डेफिनेटली फ्यूचर की ग्रोथ पर भी। मैं एक बात यहाँ पे लास्ट आपसे शेयर करना चाहूंगा, जरूर ध्यान से सुनिएगा। 1945 में सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के टाइम पर बम्बार्डमेंट हुआ था जापान के ऊपर, एंड 2 cities ऑफ जापान, नागासाकी एंड हिरोशिमा, वर टोटली डिस्ट्रॉयड, खत्म हो गए बिल्कुल लगभग। बहुत परेशानी हुई, बहुत लोग मरे, और हम देखते हैं वहां पे चल रही। उस पर भी जापान में एक ऐसी पीढ़ी आई जिसने कुछ अच्छे सपने देखे, और 1964 में फर्स्ट बुलेट ट्रेन जापान ने तैयार कर दी थी, जो बुलेट ट्रेन बहुत ही एडवांस वर्जन में अभी चल रही है आजकल। इट मीन्स विद इन स्पैन ऑफ 19 ईयर्स, 19 साल, यानी कि एक पीढ़ी जन्म लेगी और बड़ी होगी, तब तक जापान ने अपने यहाँ तकनीक का विकास कर लिया इतना कि उनके यहाँ समय अंतराल को कम करने की व्यवस्था कर दी गई। दे कुड एबल टू रिड्यूस द टाइम लिमिट, हाउ टू मूव फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर by using the bullet train concept. I just want to request each one of you and all of those who are viewing and view in this video in future also, आप जिस जगह पे भी रह रहे हैं, in whichever country you are residing, अपने देश के लिए, अपनी मातृभूमि के लिए इतना जरूर करिए कि उसमें जो भविष्य की पीढ़ियां आने वाली हैं उनके लिए, the generations who have to come in future, please do something positive for them. मुश्किलें हैंगी, मतलब आप फेस करेंगे, यू फेस मेनी डिफिकल्टीज इन लाइफ, बट प्लीज डोंट डेविएट टू फोकस फॉर डूइंग अ डेडिकेटेड और डिवोटेड दैट रिसर्च और बेनिफिशियल वर्क फॉर योर, कीपिंग इन माइंड योर फ्यूचर जनरेशन, हाउ टू बेनिफिट देम। शायद इसीलिए आज हम देखते हैं कि महर्षि पाणिनि और पतंजलि के जो सिद्धांत हैं, महर्षि पिंगल के सिद्धांत हैं, हमारे लिए इतना कार्य कर रहे हैं। भविष्य कैसे संगठित होकर कार्य करेंगे, एक बड़ा संगठन जुड़ेगा और ईश्वर की इच्छा से ही पूर्ण होगा। हम सब माध्यम है, वी आर ऑल मीडियम्स, ओनली गॉड कैन कनेक्ट अस। व्हेन द वर्क वुड हैव बीन कंप्लीटेड, इट हैज टू बी डिसाइडेड बाय गॉड ओनली। थैंक यू, प्रणाम, धन्यवाद आपको जुड़ने के लिए। Now 3-4 minutes I am here, and please, in case you have any query, connect on chat box. You could type, I will just ask. I will just type the answer and then I will share with you. आशुतोष जी, कुछ क्लियर हुआ सेक्शन हम लोगों का जो हमने शेयर किया आइडियाज? योगेश जी इज आस्किंग समथिंग, जस्ट वेट। सॉरी योगेश जी, क्लियर नहीं हुआ आपको क्वेश्चन। कुड यू प्लीज टाइप हियर? आप टाइप कर पाएंगे यहाँ पे चैट बॉक्स में? आशुतोष जी, नासा ने क्या रिसर्च की वैदिक मैथ्स पे? आई कांट कमेंट राइट नाउ बिकॉज हम बातें सुनते रहते हैं, नासा नहीं। हमारे भारत में काफी लोग काम कर रहे हैं, हम बात कर रहे हैं सिर्फ इसरो के इस टाइम। एंड मैं बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं कहूंगा, अगले 20 सालों के अंदर देखिएगा इसरो विश्व के महानतम अंतरिक्ष शोध संगठनों में आ जाएगा। स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है अपने भारत का, इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये ग्लोबली बहुत ही एडवांस स्टेज में आएगा बिकॉज अब माइंड थिंकिंग पैटर्न चेंज हो रहा है दुनिया में लोगों का बिकॉज ऑफ कनेक्टिविटी। अगर हम आज बात कर पा रहे हैं इस फेसबुक लाइव के थ्रू, ये भी एक डेवलपमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी में लास्ट 20-30 ईयर्स में आया है। ये जस्ट इमेजिन इन 1970 जो हमारे पूर्वज होंगे 1970-1960 के आसपास, वो किस तरह से कम्युनिकेट करते होंगे, बहुत मुश्किल होती होंगी उनको। बाद में फ़ोन आया डायलिंग वाला, फिर मोबाइल फ़ोन आया, देन और कम्युनिकेशन मीडियम्स आ गए। अब तो बहुत इंटरनेट ईजी हो गया है हमारे लिए कम्युनिकेट करना। तो जिस तरह से बढ़ेगा कम्युनिकेशन, लोगों के आइडियाज एक्सचेंज होंगे, काफ़ी कुछ डेवलपमेंट होगा। नासा इज नॉट द ओनली अथॉरिटी, आई पर्सनली बिलीव इट। ओके, योगेश जी आस्किंग हमने लेफ्ट हैंड रूल कैसे अप्लाई किया। योगेश जी एक बहुत छोटा एग्जांपल लेता हूं। मान लीजिए उस कमरे में 10 लोग थे, अगर 10 लोगों का मैं कन्वर्ट करता हूं बाइनरी कोडिंग, तो क्या बनेगा 80 दिस 1010। ठीक है, अब 1010 में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड का जो डिजिट है वो है 1। लेफ्ट हैंड रोटेशन रूल LHRR ये कहता है लेफ्ट का डिजिट रख दिया राइट में। इट मीन्स 1010 को चेंज कर देंगे अगर हम, तो इट बिकम्स 0101 बेस 2 पर, सॉरी 0101 बेस 2 पर। कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए, डेसिमल मीन्स 4 प्लस 0 प्लस 1। What is the answer? 5, correct. Assume there are 10 persons, so it means 5th person will have the च्यवनप्राश box at the end. च्यवनप्राश खाएगा, स्वास्थ्य बनाएगा, हम फिर बनाएंगे अपना स्वास्थ्य मानसिक और शारीरिक। We will make our that physical body and mental system very healthy by eating च्यवनप्राश of Vedic mathematics. Anybody else, any query, please share in chat box. Because I am using this Facebook live first time, I am not very much tech savvy, but I am learning in last few days when the lockdown was started due to corona, that epidemic, yeah, pandemic we can say. I, each and every moment. धन्यवाद आपका आने के लिए। हाँ, डबल 0 ये बाइनरी पैटर्न हम कंटेंट 101 बाइनरी से डेसिमल में 64 प्लस 8 प्लस 1, 64 plus 8 plus 1, that becomes 73. योगेश जी मैं शून्य हूं, शून्य सम, नॉट ऑसम, प्लीज। Because we are learning whatever I have got the ideas from my seniors, my gurus, I am just sharing with you. I am trying to do something new, but definitely इसके पीछे भी उन्हीं की ऊर्जा है। The energy I am getting for my, definitely it is blessings of my gurus and supreme powers. In the whole universe, 10 to the power systems are moving, and no that there is collision or everything, anything is happening without any मतलब गॉड्स विश। प्री प्लानिंग गॉड की एक चल रहा है। 10 to the power 22 गैलेक्सीज हैं। इन एवरी गैलेक्सी वी हैव अराउंड 10 to the power 22 प्लैनेट्स और वी कैन से सिस्टम्स मूविंग। तो 10 to the power 44 बिग नंबर, बहुत कुछ हो रहा है ब्रह्मांड में। हम एक धरती के छोटे हिस्से में बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर बैठ के, बट राइट नाउ आई एम कनेक्टेड अराउंड ऑल अक्रॉस। तो वी शुड नॉट से कि वी आर एनीथिंग। शून्य के भाव से होकर आगे बढ़ेंगे। प्रणाम, आप सभी के धन्यवाद आने के लिए। मैं मारुति शर्मा थिंक इंडिया की टीम की तरफ से आप सभी धन्यवाद करता हूं। फिर मिलेंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय विश्व। थैंक यू।